Good morning, everyone. Today I thought of telling you a simple breathing technique to get out of the pressure and the fear and the doubt the whole world is going through. This is a very simple breathing technique. By doing this simple breathing technique that you will be able to experience the results of it. At the end of the breathing, if you do this breathing in such a way, then you will feel and you will experience something different, because most of the world is at a like we are all in like a vacation. So don't think it is negative, it is positive. It is positive. The world is, our mother nature is having a rest. Because we never let our mother nature to rest for a long period. Now the mother nature is taking its own rest. So at the same time, but when this happens, all the humans are in fear and doubt. So, to get out of from this, I will tell you this breathing technique, because I have introduced myself earlier. So you know who I am, and you do this, and you can experience the result then and there. First of all, we know that we all are breathing. But most of the people are not breathing the correct way. The correct way of breathing is when you breathe in, your tummy should come out. When you breathe out, your tummy should go in. So first of all, you check this. Just put your hand on your tummy and check whether you are breathing correctly. Again, I am going to tell you, when you are breathing out, the tummy should go in. So when you breathe in, the tummy should come out. Or look at a child, a baby. They are breathing always correct. So what you have to do, first correct your breathing system. I'll tell you how to do it. First, by breathing out, take your tummy in. While breathing out, take your tummy in and empty everything in your lungs. Then you start breathing in. Then the tummy goes out. Then automatically it will happen when you breathe out, again the tummy will go in. Now I hope that you have corrected your breathing system. Now what you have to do, first of all, I forgot to tell you, You have to sit down on a chair or on a lotus position, or the way you can sit. Cross your legs and sit down. It's better on the floor. On the floor, on the bed, or if you can't sit like that, it's okay. It's okay. Keep your spine erect and sit on a chair or something. But don't do this inside a vehicle or inside a small area. It's better if you can do it outside, like sitting in a garden or in a room with open windows, because air is the most important thing. Another thing what I want to tell you, don't do it under a fan. Because when you're under a fan, there are so much of dust which you don't see circulating around you. So not in a very windy place also. So that means you are taking germs into your body. So what you have to do, always in a breathing, another thing, don't use your mouth. Always use the nose to breathe in. But breathing out can be done by the mouth or the nose, is okay. But remember, the breathing is always the intake has to go in through your nose. So, now you sit down. First you correct your breathing system. Now go into this position. By keeping your spine erect, take a deep breath in and hold it for about 10-15 seconds. And breathe out slowly. Again, after a while, again take another breath in, deep breath. And let it go. Hold it and let it go. Again take another breath and hold it for 10-15 seconds and let it go. Now, just remember, you just breathe normally for another about 10 breaths. Let it happen without you forcing into it. Just let it happen. And be aware of your breath. Now, get towards a preparation for what we are going to do. We have to prepare ourselves first. Now, before you do this with me, just follow this instruction first. First of all, take a breath in, same as earlier. And hold it for a little while and let it go. Again take a breath in. Now this time you are going to do something else. First you take a breath in Then your tummy gets full. But still you can breathe another time. Then you breathe in, then your chest gets filled up. Then there is little more space. You breathe another time. Then including your head area. You can see it's like kind of a pressure. Now breathe out slowly. Now you can do it with me. Take a breath in. That's the tummy breathing. Then without breathing out, take another breath in and fill your chest area. Then feel another little breath and fill your head area. Now you can see all is full. Now you breathe out. So some people might not be able to do it at all three levels. It's okay. Do it at your best. Don't struggle. If you can only take the first tummy breathing, fine, just do it. But when you gradually do it for a certain period of time, then you will see that you have the capacity to breathe more. So then only you do it. Don't force yourself. Never force yourself. Remember that. By forcing it, it will not give you good results. Don't force anything. Just do it according to your capacity. That is very, very important. So remember it. If somebody can do it the way I say, 3 times breathe in, then do it. Again, you do it again. Take a breath in, tummy full, then another breath, chest full, another breath, head full. Now breathe out. You do this system 7 times. But in the meantime, while you are doing this, you might feel a little bit of lightheaded or dizzy. Don't worry about it. Then you stop it. If you're feeling dizzy-like, lightheaded is okay. But if you're feeling like dizzy-like, then don't do it. Nothing will happen. Because this is a very powerful breathing system. So at the beginning, you might feel something different. Then, after breathing, if you can't do it 7 times, do it about 3 times. It's fine. But don't force it. Please don't force it. Because I hesitate to tell you certain things. Because most of the people, they try to do it more and more. It won't give you more results. Like you drink all the medicine together, you're not going to get cured. That's the way that you take your medicine. So same as that. Don't force it. So this is actually going to what you call when you do this, then your immune system will become more powerful. So it will be able to cut any intruders, virus or whatever. And you will have a cool head, not a panic head. So when you are in fear and doubt, when somebody is in fear or doubt, it brings down your immune system. That means your energy goes down. Hope you have noticed it. So what you have to do this breathing system, then 3 times or 7 times. Now, I'm going to change this. Now what you have to do, without forcing where you are doing anything, let the breath come in. Let the breath come into you. Slowly and easily. Be aware of it. And let the breath go out. You are not doing anything. You are not trying to empty your stomach by forcefully, or you are not breathing forcefully. Just slowly you observe the breath which is coming in and going out. Actually, this is the most important part of this. So remember, then do it correctly. So when you breathe out, when the breath is gone out, then you wait for a while. And your body will feel that you need to take a breath in. Again, your body will feel that I need to take a breath in. So then you breathe in. That also not forcefully. Let the breath come into you. It could be a short breath or a long breath. Does not matter. Again, let it go out without using any kind of a force. Again, wait till your body needs to breathe. The body will tell you, not the mind, the body will tell you that you should breathe now. That means you feel that you need to breathe in. So then do it. Then only you take a breath in. Let the breath come into you. Actually, you're not breathing forcefully or anything. Just let the breath come in. But till the body tells you to breathe in, you don't do it. That means let the breath come in and let the breath goes out, and you patiently wait till the body tells you that you should, or I need to take a breathe now. So then you breathe in. So keep on doing this. I know all of you have time, so you can do this. When you do this, you keep on doing this. It does not matter. But this particular breathing system, the last one I told you, you can do it any amount of time. This is actually a meditation. This will calm down your mind. This will release your anxiousness. This will release your tension in your body. And this will release your fear and doubt. And you will feel, if you do this for about 5-6 minutes, you will feel it. And you will love it. And you will always will want to do it more and more. Because why? You feel the benefit then and there. So please remember, I have told you 3 ways. At the beginning, how to get prepared, and the middle part, how to breathe 3 times. Alright? Don't overdo that. Don't overdo it. I have told you how many times you should do it. 3 or 7 times. At the beginning 3, then 3 or 7 times, then this one. The last one is not forcing anything. You are just getting connected with your own natural system. So this is a very easy way to do it and become healthy. And you will feel it. Because this will change your vibration. Because our vibrations, because we are in this planet. And the vibration of us, mostly the human, is not compatible with nature. Because most of the people, they live in fear and doubt. maybe for different reasons. They are always worried about. They are always thinking. They are always doubtful about their wives, about their husbands, about their children, about their wealth, about their bills. How I am going to do this? How I am going to do? What will happen? So this is. So this is what change. What has changed? Our vibrations. In this whole world, in the universe, everything is a vibration. Nothing else. So, if you don't live compatible with the universal vibrations, you are supposed to get these things, viruses, and all this. We manufacture it by sending bad vibes. You can call it bad vibes also, or dark vibes. By you individually, you free yourself from fear and doubt. Only you can get into this. You can be compatible. Because if you live compatible with nature, then we can change the world. Otherwise, if you don't do this now, one particular day, you will see what will happen. Because either the world has to die or the humans has to go. So what do you prefer? Try to save the world. If the world is there, at any time, even if you die, you can come back. Remember that. The world is the most important thing. The nature is the most important thing. If it is there, we can come back any time. So we don't have to fear death, because we have a place to come back. But otherwise, then we will not have a place to come back even, to be born. So do this. And you feel it. If you feel better, tell somebody. Or better to show this, let them hear this video. Because it's better that they listen directly than you telling them. Thank you. Do this.